Now they're going to put you on the wheel. You right there, love? Okay, now remember where that is all the time. Okay. Just like driving a car. You just drive a car, don't you? Right, there you go. There you go. Just a bit to the left. Alright, that's enough. Just a little bit. Okay, now start straightening back up again. Back up to... That's it. Good.
I do drive a car, but I have to pass my test.
Okay, a little bit to the left. Does Dad know you drive his car?
I don't drive this car. He's got
it up this way. Whoop, whoop. That's it. A bit more to the left. A little bit more. A little bit to the left. Okay, straighten back up again. Quick. There, quick. That's it. Good. It's a beautiful boat. This blue. Yep. Left, a little left. Yeah, the one with the blue hole. Oh, it's bigger and it's better. Right, straight up. That's it, work. He's not the owner, he's a rigger, I think. Just a little bit to the left. Work, it's enough. Just a bit more to the left. No, left, the other left. Yep, that's it. That's it, eh? No problem.
This is quite something. This one here, isn't it?
Do more than 5 knots.
I like that one.
They're not my style of boat.
It looks something
I couldn't afford to run a boat like that.
expensive.
Okay. We're going to go in here. So just follow my instructions. Forward to the left. Okay. Just a little bit to the right. That's it. Stop there. That's good. Just a little bit to the right. No, right. That's it there. Hold it there. Just a bit to the left. Just a bit more. That'll work. As far as you can, but not yet. A bit to the middle first. Okay, hard around that way, fast as you can. We'll see if she'll make it. Just hold it there, that's good. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, let's see again. That's it. To the right a little bit. To the right. Yeah, that's enough. That's good. How was that? I was a donut. Now you think that was tricky. Why are you doing the next maneuver? Okay, that's the left again. That's you like this. A little bit to the right. No, the other right. So what I go just like this sometimes too. A little bit to the left. That's it. It's enough. It's good.
I don't really know my left and right.
No, we all do that, Biffy. We've got a boat coming through here. He's got to give way to us in theory, but he's not even looking. No, it's alright. I guess he's just accelerate a little bit. Show off to all the people down there, they'll see your sign down there, so you're getting some more friends.
But she will be next
She
time.
was last time. She filmed all this last time, didn't she?
Yeah, the little flags on it.
Oh, okay. Back to the left. It's enough. It's good.
Check.
Yeah, he owns gold mines here in Northern Territory and China and Africa. Yeah. He lost a lot of money to Tim Johnson, the firepower man, because he's yeah, a little bit more to the left. That's good. It's enough. A little bit. straighten it up. Straighten it up. Just a little bit to the left. Feels like playful, nice. They're saying she knows what she's doing. Okay, straighten up now, this way. That'll ease at the moment. Go this way a bit more. Go this way a bit more.
There's another one coming.
Yeah, just go this way. Stop. That's enough. Straighten it up now, quick, this way. That's it. Don't worry about the do what's needs. Put Jenny down a little bit. Okay, around the left. 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 Okay, I'll take it now, Miffy. Would you like to come around behind me? Well done, Miffy.
This one for sale? It's got 2 masts. Why would it have 2 masts?
Yeah, that's called a ketch. Yeah, the sloop's got 1 mast. A schooner's got 2 masts, but the little one's in the front and the big one's in the back. The ketch has got the big mast in the front and the little one in the back. Okay, Tom, no pressure, but everybody in this restaurant's going to be seeing how well you do this. He is. He's listening. Tom, I just need, you just hop down, I just need to see through that gap. That's it. Don't anybody else there move. Otherwise I'll miss my judgment. Well done, mate. And then hands clear. Well done.